Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video, I am doing a small business haul. I have 3 different companies that I will be showing you guys. 2 of the young ladies are right here on YouTube. I have all their information, so if you guys aren't subscribed to that channel, make sure y'all go over there and subscribe to them. Follow them on all their social medias. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into the video.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Okay, so the first package we're going to start off with is this small package right here, and this is from ShellzCoutureNails. I have all her information linked down below, so if you guys are, like I said, if you're not following them, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Follow them on all their social medias. So we're going to go ahead and gonna cut this open. Okay, so I picked up her inspirational nail art design cards, and she came out with her own line. So if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you go over to her Instagram page. She shows these a lot and does a lot of great nail designs. So I wanted to pick this up because sometimes, you know, you get in this bubble and you want to venture out and try new things. And I wanted something that kind of helped me step outside of my comfort zone. So I thought this would be a great idea. So I like the fact that they come in this cute little box so you can keep them in. And she has her logo right here, and then a logo right here on the back, and this is absolutely genius. So I'm not sure how many cards come in here, but we're gonna flip through them really quick. Let's do it this way. So this is what the front of the card looks like, and then it tells you how to use it. So she has, I don't know, let's see how many different categories it is. So we have the treasure, and then it just gives you different things on the back of the card. I'm not going to show you guys everything that's in here because if you want these, you need to go and support her. Go over and buy. So you have your treasure, you have your theme, you have your different shapes. And so we have sneak peek, got the coffin on the back, and then we got another, I guess these were different lengths. Okay, so you have your length, which would be your shorties, medium, long, extra long. Then you have your themes. These are so cool. Like, she really put some thought into these, and I do appreciate that. So I can't wait to use these. Then we have your color palettes. So I like how she gives you the information card to go along with each category. I'm assuming that's what that is. So you have your different shades of colors that you can put together when you're doing these. And then water themes. So let's go with themes. So I'll put that back in. And then you have your accent cards. They just give you a bunch of different things that you can use. So I'm really excited to use this. If anybody that's watching this video purchased these and you're using them, let me know down in the description how well they are working for you. So I know she's supposed to be coming out with another set. I'm not sure when. That's why it's important to follow her channel. So y'all make sure y'all go and cop that. I have all that, like I said, her information, everybody's information linked down below. So the next package we have is from the lovely Nikki, just Nikki here on YouTube as well. You know, she came out with her own online store. So if you guys haven't supported her, make sure y'all go over and support her. I'll have her information linked down below as well. I love this little unicorn bag. This is really cute. So this is my packing slip right here. And then she has her own little tissue paper. How cute is this? I know she makes this herself because I've been watching her videos. So if y'all haven't subscribed to her channel, make sure you do so. And then I have two different packs right here. So I pretty much ordered a bunch of neon, not neon, but fine glitter from her. So we have the little thank you card, and she made this as well. This is really cute. And it has her information. I like how she gives you like a discount code on the back. So I will be going back and ordering some more, Nikki. So let's open up this pack first. I have so many glitters, and I'm not gonna even lie, I'll probably have some of these colors, but I don't care, you know. There's nothing wrong with supporting people and having extra, because I can always give some away. So we have this color right here. We have the neon pink, and it has her logo on there, and then her information on the bag. Really, really pretty pink. Then we have the neon orange. She also has bracelets, guys, on her website as well. Then we have the neon green, very pretty. Then we have the neon blue. And then the second pack. Oh, it has little stickers in it. This is so cute. And I love a good sticker. Let's see. This little packaging is cute as well. So it has butterflies, and I love butterflies. So this is a holographic silver. And it has this little kitty cat right here. A little butterfly. It's blue and purple. Pretty. And then another butterfly. Okay. So we have that. And then the last pack. We have Nikki Blue, which is named after her. Really gorgeous blue. It looks like it's holographic. I can't tell. You know, with fine glitter, sometimes it's hard to tell if it's holographic, but it looks to be holographic. So, and I forgot how many ounces this is. Let me look at her at my packing slip and see. No, it doesn't show on my packing slip. I want to say it's a 1 ounce. I believe it's a 1 ounce. And then the next one is this neon yellow. Really pretty yellow. And I saw this one. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And I think I have this, but I have it in the fine. And this is her lustrous plum. I said lotus. Lustrous plum. I'm gonna see. Those two almost look alike, but I'm not really sure. If it is, this one is finer than this one, which is fine. But yeah, so we have that color. And then we have the neon hot pink. So we have the neon pink, and then we have the neon hot pink. So you can't tell that they are two different colors. So this is everything that I got from her. Absolutely love it, and I will be purchasing some more. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then the last thing I got was the bling book, which is from the Little Black Nail Book, and she's on Instagram. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So it came with some nail glue. And then we get the bling book, and this is, I guess it's a collab with Jenny's Secret by Jenny Boo. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay. And then it came with this, it's like a bookmark, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I have to go back and read what this bundle comes with. So it just have a variety of different shapes in here. So I believe this edition is what you can do to bling your your nails out with. So it gives you a bunch of different crystal placements. And then it gives you the different shapes and stuff like that in here. Really cool. I like this. So this is my first time ever purchasing any of the little black book. I've been wanting this for a while. So okay, so this is her right here at the back of the book. She's the queen of bling. So yeah, so it just gives you a bunch of different nail shapes. And you know, with this you can practice your nail designs and all that, as well as do the crystal placement on the nails. So just gonna flip through it really quick so you can see. Then it has the acrylic application practice page right here. Then you have your color wheel. And then some examples of different nail designs that you can do. And then over here it has your crystal size chart, which is really cool. So yeah, so that was the first book. And then the second book, sorry, is the third edition. So I'm going to flip through this really quick. And then this one has a color wheel, so you can actually color that in yourself, which is really cool. And then it shows you the different nail art brushes and what you can achieve with those brushes. And then it has your brush stroke practice guide. And then nail art designs. And this one has crystal placement as well. So, ooh, this one has a lot more nail art that you can practice. So I thought that was really cool. And then of course you have your different shapes as well, and nail lengths. And then the back of the book. So yeah, so that was that one. And then we have the acrylic practice sheet right here. So you could be able to reuse this, which I like. Okay. So we have one, I have two, I have three of those. So yeah, so it's three of those. And then you have, you know, the coffin, the stiletto, the square, the almond shape. Okay, so it came with that. Then it also came with this pricing card. Okay. It came with a price list, and you get two of those. Actually, you get three, I'm sorry. So you get three of those. And then I have another one of those like bookmark things. Okay, the different nail shapes on it. Then it came with a crystal picker upper. And then it came with this little thank you card. So it has some little female flowers on here. This is really cool. Like, she really put in some thought in creating this book. And it has her logo on the back. And then this one, I opened this up before I did this video because I heard something rattling and I wasn't sure what it was. So these actually came out the bag. So they were stapled to the back of this. And these are a bunch of different crystals and charms that's in here. Really cool. Let's see. So yeah, so you have different crystals in here. Thought that was really cool. So I believe this one is the bling book edition. Yeah, it is the bling book. And then we have some crystals right here. Okay guys, so this is everything in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have everything linked down in the description below, so make sure you guys go over to their pages, their website, and check them out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you that watch and support my channel. Even if you haven't subscribed and you're watching the videos, I do appreciate it. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, it won't cost you anything, and it helps out with my channel so I can continue to keep up with these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know